Surprise! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, baby! Hooray! It's our celebration.
Kaybobo.
Bad boy, what you telling me? We active, yeah? Super. You bet.
So I'm sitting by myself and I'm eating, but like I'm not just eating, things are actually running through my head. And it's at times like this that I'll now make a post and be like random thoughts. Now sometimes I know that I can post random thoughts that may feel too personal or that might make you wonder, is Thelma okay? Most of the times I'm okay. Like I'm just going about my day in silence and then something randomly comes across my head. Like I was just eating and like 3 different things have come to my mind that I'm like, if I share these random thoughts, it'll probably just be controversial. Like, you guys know me. Like sometimes I don't even have to try too hard. Like they'll just package it for me and brand it. Thelma, very controversial babe. But like I'm just sharing things that run through my mind like on a normal day. Like now, what am I thinking about? Unpopular opinion. But I'm humble. And I don't know how to put this without. I'm trying. So I'm about to share some random thoughts with you guys. But before I start, I want you guys to share your own random thoughts with me. Like, what are you randomly thinking about? Like right now, it's 9:28 p.m. Today is Thursday, Abby. Thursday, 11th of December. Abby, the date is correct, 11th December. What are you randomly thinking about? Tell me.